This is Carrie, and I have watched reviews on Carrie for years, but this one is in the color chocolate caramel, AL16 chocolate caramel. Isn't it beautiful? It's got a lace front. Okay, so let me show you. It's got a beautiful root. It's got a felt nape with Velcro adjusters. It's got felt ear tabs. Looks like the hairs are spliced in real good in the front right there. That is long. That is long. But that makes it great for updos. Let's just see if we can get rid of this lace right now. I've never had, maybe in second grade I had my hair this long. I don't think my hair would ever grow out this much. I have some peace out cream ready to go. And I think I'm gonna wet it. And just get in here and do something like this. So I was wondering if I was getting ready to go to work and I got my laser on, how she would look at the office. Or if I was doing an orientation and I was talking to a bunch of people, how would that look? Of course, I don't always wear my glasses, but yeah, kind of like that. And then maybe if I got ready to go at the end of the day, grab my purse, get my keys, head out the door, say goodbye. Kind of cute, very sleek. I think that if I got home and husband said, let's go to dinner, like Jeffrey sometimes does, I know where he likes to go is always cold. So I probably would change my sunglasses. And wait in line for them to call our table. Jeff, table of 2. I'm just thinking of how much time it would have taken someone to get this cut and color and this kind of style without damaging their hair. I feel like a Brett commercial or Pantene, you know, or Garnier. I don't know if I can say those brands, but I just feel like, you know, what kind of treatment would you have? I would think that if I saw this on someone, I would absolutely assume that they were wearing extensions into their real hair to give them this kind of volume. Wow, this is very on trend. I'm gonna say that because I'm looking at the girls that I work with. They're all, you know, very young and glamorous, just in their own way, just being at work. And this is what they're striving for and what they're doing. And I know that they're paying a lot more than the price of just this by itself to keep it up and to do it, and the hours that they're putting in to do this. And I just put it on. Yeah, I think I'm going to change my profile picture.